If you are looking for a fun and fairly unique place to spend some family time with the added bonus of enjoying a great meal, look no further than Andy B's at Branson Landing. We are excited to tell you all about it, but first, let's roll that intro.
Andy B's is one of our favorite places to spend quality time as a family. We've also found this to be one of our go-to restaurants at the Branson Landing. If you're looking for more information about fun things to do in Branson and the Branson Landing, please hit that subscribe button down below and give us a like on this video. We're considering starting an entire playlist on the Landing just like we have for several other city coverage, so let us know if the Branson Landing playlist is something you would be interested in. For now though, we're going to show you around Andy B's.
One of the main draws of Andy B's is that it is a fun place for bowling. Forget the ideas that you might have of a classic bowling experience, because at Andy B's you'll experience bowling in a super fun way. To begin with, you will have comfortable lounge-style seating in all 9 bowling lanes. You will also have lane-side service for food and drinks brought directly to your group available. The screens do more than just keep score. They honestly might be our kids' favorite part of the bowling experience. While entering your name, you take 3 pictures. The first is the funny face picture, followed by the sad face picture, and finally the happy face picture. If this seems like a lot just to bowl, it is worth it because the screen displays fun interactive scenes with the faces of the players in it to describe how good your last bowl was. Paul sure had a lot of sad faces used during the day that we bowled. Also, for your enjoyment, are big screens down at the end of the lane. You can enjoy watching all of your favorite professional or college games while you bowl, and you socially interact with those around you. Bumper lanes are available and automatically pop up for each individual that requests them, and automatically go back down for the bowlers who prefer to see their hopes of a good score go down the gutter. The bowling balls, you will notice, have the appearance of pool balls, and the higher the number on the ball, the more it weighs. Bowling shoes are provided at Andy B's when groups arrive at their bowling lanes. Bowling here is definitely a home run for us at the Branson Fam. They do have group and party packages, so be sure to ask ahead of time if you are looking for a large group to attend. We can only imagine how fun this place can get with a large group eating and having a good time while they enjoy the great music, lights, and friendly competition of bowling.
Speaking of the food that's offered at Andy B's, from the appetizers to the entrees, you just can't go wrong here. Jamie and I have tried most of the appetizers on the menu and we have loved them all. Their wrap sandwiches and burgers are definitely our go-to menu choices. Our girls like all the choices on the kids menu, but their usual order is a kid's personal cheese pizza with lemonade or sweet tea. And you better not sleep on the fries because they have some of our favorite fries in all of Branson. We also want to be sure to add that we've always received excellent service here, and we really appreciate each of the workers at the Branson Andy B's location.
The fun keeps on rolling because the arcade is definitely a huge draw for our kids and probably will be for your group too. They have so many options for guests of all ages, from classic arcade challenge games like air hockey or the punching strength game to virtual reality games that capture your imagination. Just like the system that most arcades have gone to these days, Andy B's uses the rechargeable card system that allows you to swipe your card to begin the game. Andy B's has a wide range of games that include a Star Wars TIE Fighter simulator. They also offer multiple shooter games, with our girls' favorite being the Jurassic Park game. Check out how into it Carson gets. They have some of the classic sports games and a new twist on one with a Connect 4 game using basketball hoops as targets as you play. They have racing games where you can compete against each other as well. Which reminds me, please pray for me in about a decade when Charlie is behind the wheel of a real car. They have so many amazing games, but our kids' favorites by far involve the virtual reality. We personally don't have any VR games at home, so when they have a chance to play them, they have an absolute blast. One of the VR games is more like a VR ride, complete with a moving platform that shakes, and the headset gives you immersive sound as well as you being able to feel the wind blowing as you gain speed. The big VR games in the middle of the arcade is where Charlie could really spend her entire day. It offers multiple games that you can play in single-player mode or bring your friends for a cooperative experience. High scores can be set, but they weren't by us. It is a fun experience as the headsets allow you to talk to each other and be immersed in the game. Just check out how happy Charlie is to play this detailed VR game with her mom and dad.
Games don't have to stop with the arcade. There are also some great game options to play together as a family. We personally enjoy a good old game of cornhole. Let us know in the comments down below if cornhole is becoming as big of a deal in your area as it is in ours. We also really love playing games like this jumbo-sized version of Jenga. If you do not feel like moving your group from your seated area, you can also bring games like Uno and Giant Connect 4 over to your table to enjoy together. Our kids have become huge Uno fans, so it makes for a fun experience while we wait for our food to be cooked after we order. We don't know how you guys feel about eating in the sit-down places with your young kids, but we're always nervous that they will get bored or be too loud for the people sitting around us. At Andy B's though, they fit right in and the whole place is kind of fun and loud.
If you prefer more of a quiet experience for your fun cooperative time, they have you covered as well. Just like several other indoor attractions in the Branson area, Andy B's has included some really neat escape rooms. These rooms vary in size and difficulty. You can navigate your way through these thrilling escape rooms by decoding puzzles, uncovering clues, and unraveling riddles before time runs out. Be sure to ask employees for recommendations on the room that might be best for your group, which could also be dependent on your group's number of people in your party. Some rooms are also more geared toward families with kids, and others might be more geared towards adults. The friendly employees are happy to help steer you to the escape room that will fit what you're looking for.
If you are looking for other great escape room suggestions, we have videos featuring some of our favorites right here on the Branson Fam channel. Escape Code in the Branson Meadows Shopping Center was voted in the top 5 escape room attractions in the United States. Retromania also has some incredible 80s themed escape rooms that include E.T., Back to the Future, The Terminator, and Indiana Jones. The price of your escape room also allows you to take part in all the other fun that Retromania has to offer. Be sure to check out these episodes right after you watch the rest of this one.
The bowling environment just wouldn't be complete without your classic games like pool and foosball. You know Andy B's wasn't going to have their bowling balls look like billiard balls without also including a few tables for your group to enjoy. This place really does have it all under one roof. Outside the roof of Andy B's is pretty cool too. Since we are at the Branson Landing after all, we can't miss an opportunity to share a little bit more about this iconic part of Branson. The Branson Landing is a beautiful outdoor mall that stretches alongside the magnificent yet quaint Lake Taneycomo. You will find a wide variety of stores, shops, attractions, and restaurants that are hard to forget.
The center of the Branson Landing houses the most eye-catching fountain, which displays a fire and water show every hour on the hour. This fountain and fire show is choreographed to recognizable music that will leave you happy that you took the time to experience the show. Our family really enjoys grabbing a cool drink or a small snack near the center of the landing while we enjoy these fountains.
Andy B's is definitely one of our favorite reasons to head to the landing. If you are like us and enjoy what they have to offer, be sure to check their specials tab on their website for great deals and discounts before you visit. This can make your family time spent at Andy B's even sweeter. We hope that you get to visit Andy B's soon, and you never know, you might even catch us there as we are there frequently. If you don't catch us at Andy B's though, we will be bringing you more family-focused activities soon. So until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.